that we really working together. That's by itself a subject. That's a topic right there. How could you see by working individually and we crossed each other, because definitely we did that all the time, but the cross information was at 20% level. Today when we have the system and we're not fully using it, our communication raised up to 50%. From 20% communication and engaging with each other, one team, it does raise that percentage, and that's where the profit is. In a way it is. Our collective effort as a basketball team, as any other sport or adventure, or even family style. When family work together, husband and wife, children, it's a different move at home. And also, when you work in a basketball or a football team, you need that coordination. And that's what the system is a coordination. So human activity reflect in because we really definitely, that's the best investment. Personnel. Personnel is a great investment. And it's really costly not to use it right. Costly for you as a business and more costly for individuals because he's spending his life right there. That's very expensive. So you wanted to use it the right way. So be systematic.